Well, I'll first talk about FICCI. FICCI in Calcutta, we have a state regional council, and I happen to be the chairman of the state council. And we are the arm of FICCI in Kolkata and West Bengal. And we have been active. We've had our office here for last several years. And we work very closely with the government as well in terms of certain initiatives, whether it's investment, whether it's skill development, and things like that. And we work towards providing services to our members. And in particular, we are actively working in terms of promoting investment in West Bengal. Well, my company, Paharpur Cooling Towers Limited, has been headquartered in Bengal since 1948, ever since it was founded by my father. And we have been here and we have developed and prospered here. We have two plants in West Bengal which produce our cooling towers and cooling tower components. And we have been in Bengal right through all these years, through its ups and downs. And we today feel that our decision to operate out of here has not put us to any disadvantage vis-a-vis anywhere else in the country. Overall experience has been good. Either we operate in Bengal, we operate in other states of the country as well. We have plants in UP, we have plants in Gujarat, we have construction sites all over the country. And we find that operating out of Bengal is no different, or rather in many ways much better than working out of many other states of the country. What is different over here is that this government is very focused and very committed to development of the state. And we see it happening very professionally. I was in Singapore a few weeks ago and saw the government make its pitch to Singapore investors. And I must say I was very impressed in terms of the manner in which the government is going about attracting investment. Well, I certainly want to see the future of Bengal as being very bright. And I see no reason why it should not be very bright. Bengal is gifted in terms of mineral resources, in terms of its geography, in terms of its location, in terms of the infrastructure it has. And therefore, I would say that its future should be very bright. It's endowed with a very fertile, let's say, agriculture and agricultural soil, and it has a lot of industry as well. So I would say it will certainly be one of the leading states of the country. Well, my first suggestion would be that they should look at Bengal very seriously, and they should not get carried away by the, say, folklore that exists, and they should come out here, take a look for themselves, and experience what it means in terms of investing over here.